right, so pre-calculus 30, we're in 6.2, number 11 in the pre-calculus 30 textbook, and or pre-calculus 12, I guess is what the textbook's called, um, from Nelson. And so we are looking at this number 11a. Angle theta is in quadrant 2. Okay, quadrant 2, what does that mean? Okay, well, here's quadrant 2, which means, according to the cast rule, that the sine is positive and all the other ones, cos and tan, should be negative. Well, here's a sine of theta. That's a positive value, so that makes sense. Which means that if we're asked for cos, right here, then it should be negative. Well, actually, if cos of theta, well, that means the theta is here. Okay, well, actually, you know what? Let me just hold on to that. Let me just hold on to that because we're looking at a cos of double this angle. Okay, double this angle, so that might change a bit. So let's see, how would we do this? It might be good to look at cos of 2 theta and to say, how can I rewrite that, right, in terms of single theta or 1 theta, right? So you want to look at your identities, and if we want to go back, let's see, this page right here, look at that. So these identities here, cos of 2 theta, do you see the options? We actually have 3 options to rewrite cos of 2 theta. And here, this option right here, this third one right here, this is maybe a good one to look at, because what we can do is we can figure out what cos of 2 theta is, and all we need to know is what sine theta is, and we're given sine theta. So there you go. So they're helping you to practice rewriting in a different way using your identities to solve. So we're going to do that. 1 minus 2 sine theta, okay? So cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Okay, so that is equal to 1 minus 2. Now, what is sine theta? Well, it's 5 over 13. And we're going to have to square that. So that's 1 minus 2 times, what's that? 25 over 169. Okay. And so that's 50 over 169. So it's 169 over 169 minus 50 over 169. And that's going to be, what, 119 over 169? Right? I got that right? So determine an exact value for each of the following. So there you go. So cos 2 theta, a different way you can write that using just sine of theta. Looks like this should be your answer. You can double check my math here. But 119 over 169, that's how you do it.